What's up, dunks? Welcome back to Sudoku Joy. My name is Sudoku. Today we're doing another missing deck puzzle. We got Unlocked Cages by FullDeck and missing a few cards. Hopefully this is a little bit easier than the first one I tried, which took me about a half an hour. This one we have standard Sudoku rules apply, and then we have cages. Okay, so normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9, every row, every column in 3 by 3 box. Then we have cages, so the digits in the dotted areas, which are called cages, have to sum to the total in the top left. So these two sum to 15, these two are 11, these two are 14, 5, etc., etc., etc. All right, I'm just going to restart the timer and let's go. Okay, so this 3 can only be a 1, 2. All right, so also, a lot of these cages, this 16 can only be a 7, 9. That's good. Okay, so cages... a lot of these are self-contained into boxes, and since there can be no repeats, we know that there has to be 1 to 9 in every cage, and also that 1 to 9 sum to 45. So this is 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 11 is 21, plus 15, that's going to be 36, so this is now 9. So 45 minus 36 is 9. Then we have 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 10 is 27, plus 12 is 39, 45 minus 39 is 6. Okay, we can do it down here as well. 15 plus 13 is 28. Plus 6 is 34. Plus 8 is 42. So this will be 3. 15 and 15 is 30 plus 7. 30 plus 14 is 44. So this is going to be a 1. All right, so then that puts a 2 and a 1. Okay, so then I imagine this is going to be a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see what we have elsewhere first, if there's anything else that's jumping out. Okay, so let's see what we can do. 8 cage cannot have a 3 on it anymore. So this is going to be a 2, 6 or 1, 7. This is a 1, 5, 2, 4. Okay. Clean up the ones. So one of these is going to be a 1, 8 pair. This one is going to be a 6, 8, and since that's he's a 6, this is an 8, 6, which puts this as a 5, 9. So this one cannot have an 8 or a 6 on it, and it sees that 5, 9. So this one's going to be a 2, 7. Okay, so then what do we need? We need a 1, 3, 4 over here. 1, 3, 4. This cannot be a 3. This one's going to be a 4 actually, because a 1 and a 3 would see the 6 and the 8. So that's gone. So this is now a 5. All right, this has to be, cannot be a 1, 4, because the 1s, and then also this 4. So it's a 2, 3, and with this 2, we have a 3 here. That's a 2. Okay, so then this has to be a 2, 5 now. Okay, good. Let's clean up a little bit. This cannot be a 6, 9 pair. This is going to be a 7, 8. So just like I thought, 5, 6 pair. So this would be the 3, 4, and then this is a 5, 6. Yeah. Okay. This cannot be a 1, 2, or 2. So this is a 3, 5, which removes this 3. That's going to be a 4, 3, and that's a 5, 3. That's going to be a 9, 5. All right, easy peasy. This cannot have a 3, 9 or 5, 7. This will be a 4, 8. 4, 8. Okay, good. 3 has to go down here. 3 will be here because it can't be on a 6 cage. This cannot have a 6, 7 or a 4, 9. This will be a 5, 8, and we can place that as an 8 and a 5. So this will not have an 8 on it. Okay. On 3, see both of them. Okay. Similarly, can't have a 5, 8 pair. Okay. This cannot see a 1, 5, so this is going to be a 2, 4 pair. Which means I cannot have a 2, 7 or 4, 5. This will be a 1, 8 or a 3, 6. This 9 cannot see a 4, 5 anymore. Okay. Or 2, 7. So this is a 1, 8, 3, 6. And this, okay, so this is going to be a 1, 8, 3, 6. That's fine. Which places a 5 here with a 3 there. So that's going to be 1, 3. Those 3s are gone. So, and the 6s. So this is going to be a 1, 8 pair. That's a 1, 8 pair. This is a 3, 6. Which removes the 3 here and the 4, 6. So this is, oh, and the 1 sees both of them. So this is going to be a 2, 8 pair, which places a 2 here. That's going to be the 8 because of that right there. So this is now a 4. Okay. The only option for the 4 in this box is here because the 3 sees that. So it's going to be a 4 and a 3, which places a 6, 3 here. So this is now, cannot see it be a 2, 6. This is going to be a 1, 7. Oh, 1, 7, which removes the 1 from there and the 7 from here. So that's going to be an 8, 9, and a 1, 7. That 3's gone. This is the 3. That's a 1, 7 pair. So then we know that the 7s are going to be here, but it can't be this one. So it's going to be a 2, 7. This 2 forces that as the 7 there. Okay. So this one cannot be a 4, 8. This one's going to be a 1, 9. There we go. And 9 there. 1 here. 7, 1, 2, 7. We need a 9 in this column, and it has to go here with the 6, which puts this as a 4, 2. That's going to be 5, 2 with 5 and an 8. This is now a 6, 9, and we can put that as a 6 here and a 9 there. 5 and 6. This will be a 7, 8. Okay, this one's much faster than the last one I did. Okay, so this is not a 5, 9. This will be a 6, 8, which we can place as a 6 and an 8. That's a 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. So we have a 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be a 6. That'll be a 9, 7, 9. Puts a 1 here and a 1 there. This is now this will be a 3. No, wait. Sorry, not a 3. What am I missing? 7. Sorry. So that's going to be a 7. That's going to be a 2, 4, 2 with a 4. 8, 4. That's going to be a 7, 8. We need a 1. So that'll be a 1, 9. This will be a 6 and finish it off with a 7. Oh yeah, 703. Much faster. Much faster than the first one I did by them. Great puzzle. Good stuff as always. This is the second one I've done to mine, but still, it's good stuff. Enjoy that puzzle. See you tomorrow.